Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an HTML code in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password here. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account. Now click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add an HTML code in. Go to Pages and select the page you want to add your video on. You can also add an HTML code in one of your blog posts. Just go to blog content, select the blog post you want to add an HTML code on. Just like that, click on this edit button from the top. And now that you're in the editing mode, click on this plus blue button, select or look for code, and click on this embed block. Now select or go to the code snippet tab, click on embed data, and here add your HTML code. This is the HTML code that I will use for this video. It's for embedding a video I have on my Google Drive. Click on this save button from the corner and then exit to go into the preview mode. This is my blog post page live, and this is my HTML code, or this is my embedded HTML code. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. If instead of embedding your HTML code, which means executing your HTML code, you only want to display your HTML code, instead of adding an embed block, go with an code block. This is it. Look for code and select this code block. Now click on display source code, then exit this window. Click on save and exit. Look for the preview, and this is your HTML code displayed in your Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.